Hey, what's up, fam? I know you seen that thumbnail. You clicked on it because it looked oh so good. Today we making some chicken and dumplings. Hey, I got me some celery, got some baby carrots because they were on sale, $1.99. So hey, why not go with what's on sale? And then we got a yellow onion. So what I want to do, dice these. We in the game. We're gonna set these to the side and we're gonna work on this chicken. Hey, this is what we're working with today. We got 3 chicken breasts. And I'm gonna go ahead and get it seasoned. I'm going in with some onion powder. Then I'm gonna hit it with some garlic powder. And I'm gonna come back on top with that baptized in Cajun seasoning. Then we'll pack these seasonings in like so. Give it a flip, do the same thing on the other side. Now once we got our chicken seasoned where we want it to be, and we're gonna take this over to our pot. We're gonna get the sear. We're gonna make this delicious. Now we're gonna start off with a little bit of oil. We're gonna let this pan get heated up. And once we got our pan where we want it to be, we're gonna go ahead and lay this chicken in there. And once we get enough color on one side, we're gonna go ahead and flip it over. And I know you can see that fun that's in the bottom of that pan. So we don't wanna burn that. That's gonna be used for our flavor. Now I don't wanna cook this chicken all the way through, but when I got it where I want it to be, like I said, get a little brown on it. It's not gonna cook all the way through. And we'll set this chicken to the side and we'll let it rest for a little minute. Then we'll chop this up. And I wanna protect this fun on the bottom of this pan. I don't wanna go any further. So I'm gonna add in 3 tablespoons of butter. While we let that butter continue to melt, we'll go ahead and add in our veggies. And we'll work those around at the same time, kind of loosening up some of that fun on the bottom of that pan. So while you're mixing, you also scrape the bottom with that butter. And as you can see right here, a lot of it's already coming up. So we'll let this cook until our onions become translucent. This is all flavor right here. And fam, this is smelling absolutely delicious. And as you can see right here, again, that fun is now picked up off that pan and now it's incorporated with those veggies. And it's smelling good, fam. We in the game. And at this time, I'm gonna mint some garlic. Add it into this pot. And then we'll cook this garlic until it becomes fragrant. And that doesn't take long at all. Now when we got that where we want it to be, we're gonna go ahead and add in our chicken broth. And then we're gonna add a little bit at a time so we can prevent clumping. And then work this in. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in a little bit of sage, and then we're gonna hit it with half a tablespoon of better than bouillon. And this is the roasted chicken base. Now you don't want this to be overly salty, so you may want to taste it right now where you have it at before you add your chicken in. See if you need to add any more seasonings, but I'm gonna be honest with you right now, it's perfect. Just the amount of seasonings that we use, we in the game. And then we're gonna go in with about a half a cup of half and half. Then I'm gonna add in me 2 bay leaves. Then I'm gonna add in my chicken. So these are not quite shredded and it's not quite cubed. So these are almost like a shredded cube. Now remember, your chicken wasn't cooked all the way through, so we're gonna bring this up to a simmer. And then we're gonna let this go for about, say about 30 minutes or so. All right, we got us a nice little simmer, so we're gonna place a lid on this. And we'll see you guys in a little bit. And we're gonna make these dumplings. I got me 2 cups of flour. I got some salt, pepper, baking powder, and thyme. And we'll get everything mixed in. I got some melted butter, some milk. And then I'm gonna go in with a tablespoon of cream cheese. Now I wanna initially just get this mixture started, and then I'm gonna go in with my hands and I'm gonna start lightly kneading this dough. So I started out with about 3/4 cups of milk, and then once I got that dough where I wanted it to be, I added in 1/4 cup, and then you can see right here the cream cheese is nicely incorporated, and I'm just like slightly mixing it, and then we're ready to go to put this dumpling in the soup. 25 minutes or so. Hey, it's looking good and it's smelling absolutely delicious. Take one of our spoons, give it a nice little stir, and then we'll remove those bay leaves because we're in the final steps of this recipe. And however you want to form your dumplings, hey, whatever works for you, hey, do what you do. I'm just going to use 2 spoons and kind of form the dumpling and whatnot, and then I'm gonna drop it on top like so. And then once you drop your final dumpling in there, hey, like so, then we're gonna cover this again for about 15 minutes or until your dumplings are done. Let them steam up, check them, you'll be in the game. All right, fam, 15 minutes has been up, it's past us. Now, what you want to do, I know it looks like a lot, but you can take one of these dumplings out and see if it's done. You don't want to overcook them either because they'll start falling apart on you. But what you can do, take one out, put it on a plate, and then you can slice right into it. And if it's fluffy like that, hey, you in the game. Now what you want to do, since you already checked those dumplings, they good to go. They get you a ladle, and then you want to get down off in there. And you get you a big bite like that. Hey fam, we got to get us a taste test. Cheers, fam. That right there is absolutely delicious, fam. Hey, this pillowy dumpling, along with that chicken that was baptized in that Cajun seasoning, the veggies with the carrots and the celery. So you can tell your doctor you're getting some veggies in with this recipe. Now you're gonna be in the game for the fall and winter time. Yes, sir, fam. I gotta give me another bite. Hey, we're in the game. Now, if you're new to my channel and you like this video, hey, go ahead, smash that like button. Now, there is a new feature. It's called a hype button feature, right? So once you hit that like button, don't forget to hit that hype button, and it'll help channels like me grow. Now, for my focus fam that's been rolling me for a while, hey, thank you guys so much. And you already know what your boy the coach is gonna do. Hey, I'm about to get back in the game and smash into these chicken and dumplings. But if you want more delicious recipes, hey, click on this card right here, and I'm gonna keep you in the game. We'll see you guys on the next recipe. Yes, sir.